Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Vanshi. Hope you guys are doing all good, and if you are watching me for the first time, then make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that bell button. So in my today's video, I'm going to show you the CTEM process of skincare routine, which means cleansing, toning and moisturization. So I have added a serum to this process because from a very long time I wanted to try serum on my face. So yeah, I thought this is the right time, let's just do this. So मैंने सारे प्रोडक्ट्स जो ऑर्डर किए हैं वो गुड वाइब्स ब्रांड के किए हैं और purple.com से किए हैं. तो गुड वाइब ब्रांड इज अवेलेबल ऑन Amazon एंड फ्लिपकार्ट एज वेल. तो आप कहीं से भी ऑर्डर कर सकते हो, बट मैं पर्सनली purple.com सजेस्ट करूँगी बिकॉज वहाँ पे एडिशनल डिस्काउंट मिल जाएगा आपको इस ब्रांड पे. So yes, you can definitely check out. So if you're interested in knowing the review of these products, so just keep on watching, and without any further ado, let's just get into the video.
So for cleansing, I have used Good Vibes Green Tea Purifying Face Wash. Now, as you guys know, green tea has antioxidant and anti-inflammation properties, so it's really good for the acne prone skin as well. I have taken very less product and along with water generated some lather, and now I am massaging it in a circular motion on my face. So make sure you are very gentle to your skin. After just massaging on your face, just wash your face with a normal water and you will see the difference. Your skin will feel so fresh after using this. For toner, I have used Good Vibes Green Tea Glow Toner. Now, it helps to reduce scars and pigmentation on the face. I have just sprayed toys on my face, and using a cotton, I have just dabbed the product on my face and left it to get absorbed naturally. Now for the third step of the process, I have used Good Vibes Rose Hip Radiant Glow Face Serum. Now I have just used 3 drops of it and gently massaged it on my face. Now you don't have to use serum on daily basis. You can use it twice a week or maybe when your skin feels and requires so yes. So for the last and the final step, that is moisturizing, I have used Good Vibes Tea Tree Face Gel. Now the people who have oily and combination skin, they should definitely check out the gel based moisturizers because I think that is the best thing you can do to your skin because it will not give you excess of oil, and I think it will help you to just keep your skin hydrated and fresh like for the complete day. So yes.
So I feel I have answered all your doubts and questions in this video. If you have any more, then just comment in the comment section and feel free to ask. So yes, all the products that I have used in this video, anybody can use it, like even the teenagers can use it because it's paraben and sulfate free. Also, if you want teenagers, especially I'm mentioning this to the teenagers, if you want to use this range, just skip the serum part because I think your skin doesn't need serum. It's just growing, and I don't think this serum is needed for your skin. So the cleansing, toning and moisturization will do the enough part, and I think that's sufficient. So yes, this was my video. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, then do not forget to subscribe to my channel, hit a like and comment in the comment section and show me some love. This is Subhasi signing off. Bye bye.